A lawsuit seeking to overturn a 2 decades old FDA-approved abortion pill will go before a federal judge in Texas today. The lawsuit was filed by a coalition of anti-abortion groups. They want to take one of the 2 drugs off the market nationwide while the case proceeds. Scripps News national correspondent Alex Miller explains how the lawsuit is based on the claim that abortion medications are unsafe.
Well, this is a challenge brought by doctors who are against abortions. What they're trying to do is remove an FDA approval for the first dose of a 2-dose abortion regimen. That has been in effect for nearly a quarter century. The FDA approved it 23 years ago. Lots of people use this method. More than half of all abortions are medication related. That is because it is taken in the home. It can be administered by telehealth. It is far less expensive than other ways to have abortions, obviously way less intrusive. And so this is something that lots of people are going to be paying attention to. This is effectively to block this drug nationwide, not only in Texas where this case is going to take place, but also in other states that have banned abortions. And some experts worry that this could also have an impact in states that have abortion legal, that medication abortion is legal. This case is going to be heard by a single judge in Amarillo, Texas. A lot of criticism that this is something that was shopped around effectively to get this conservative judge who has a history of being a very pro-life judge, has very deep pro-life Christian ties in his own family. Listen to what one expert had to say.
The notion of a single judge issuing a nationwide injunction, having the power to do that, is really problematic to a lot of people. You know, there are some potential fixes here. Congress could step in. They could order that any seeking of a nationwide injunction would have to go, for example, to a 3-judge panel instead of just a single judge. But this is a lot of power in the hands of one person. And especially when you think about the judge shopping that's happening here, he's the only judge in this division. They specifically incorporated their alliance in the Amarillo division in order to get Judge Kaczmarek because of his anti-abortion views and his lack of hesitance to trumpet them. So, you know, given all of that, it's really important, I think, that Congress does something about these nationwide injunctions in the hands of one person.
There's also an added layer of drama to this. The judge supposedly requested that the lawyers not publicize the date and time of this hearing, only wanting to release it Tuesday evening. Obviously, we found out about this much sooner than that, but there was a lot of harsh criticism that the judge was trying to keep this under wraps. We've been waiting for this hearing for weeks now. A group of reporters, media organizations wrote to the judge saying that this was unconstitutional and, quote, saying it undermines the important values served by public access to judicial proceedings and court records. So lots to focus on when this hearing gets underway, guys. Alex Miller, Scripps News, New York.